Hello. At this point, you are probably finished with dimensional analysis day 2, the blue sheet. So let's go over a couple of our answers. I'm pretty sure if I give you a copy of the first page, you probably have got that. So let me do that for you. Okay, here's the top portion of your answers. Go ahead and check your answers. And of course at the bottom you can fill in where it says 7.5 feet, 12 inches and 1 foot, and 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. That equals 228.6 centimeters. I think y'all probably have that figured out. Now on the back page it gets a little bit more tricky because we're doing more than one conversion. Okay, so number 4, we start out with a 50-inch TV and we need to convert it to meters. So I know that we have a conversion. It's 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. And I know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. And again, we want cancel, 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 and we're left with what we want. We want to know how long it is in meters. Multiply everything up top. Of course, 50. That would give you 127 meters over 100, which equals 1.27 meters. Problem number 5 starts out with 24 kiloparsecs from Earth. I'm going to just abbreviate KP. It says that a kiloparsec, which is 1 kiloparsec, is 1,000 parsecs. And it says a parsec, which is 1 parsec, is 3.26 light years. And you'll notice that cancels, that cancels, that cancels, and that cancels. Do we get an answer of 78,240 light years? Okay, to make things just a little bit more difficult, we're going to look at number 6. How many seconds are there in 1 year? So what we want is we want seconds per 1 year, kind of like a unit rate. We have to have units on top and down bottom. So let's start. We know we're going to start with seconds per year. So I'm going to start over here with seconds per year. And I'm going to work backwards to help me make sure I end up with those units. Well, I know that we've got $365 days in 1 year. I do not want that year to cancel because I want it to still be here. But I do want days to cancel. So I know I have to put days right here. And I've got to cancel. So let's think about that. If we've got a year, I could talk about a day. A day is 24 hours. And I know that I want my hours to cancel. So I've got to put hours down here. So how many seconds are in an hour? 3,600. 3,600 seconds are in 1 hour. So my hours cancel, days, and I'm left with seconds per year. Now I just multiply everything across the top and everything across the bottom, and this is going to be my answer. And that's seconds per year. Okay, let's look at number 7. The average American student is in class 330 minutes a day. So 330 minutes per day. How many hours per day is this? So we want hours per day. So we don't necessarily want day to cancel, but we do want minutes to cancel. Let's think about we need a minute. So we know there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. So my minutes cancel, but my hours and days don't. So we could write that as, once we multiply across and divide, it's 5.5 hours per day. Both units have to be left in our answer. You have to leave what doesn't cancel out. All right, number 8. If a turtle travels 20 centimeters in 1 minute, how many inches does he travel in an hour? So we want inches per hour. I know there's a conversion between inches and centimeters. And that's 1 inch. So my centimeters cancel. I've got my inch here, so I don't really want my inches to cancel right there. But I do want my minutes. I need this minutes to go away. So that means I have to put some type of minute up here and hour down bottom so that my hour can stay on the bottom. Of course, we know 60 minutes is 1 hour. So our answer is 472.44 inches per hour. All right, I hope that helps.